Welcome back, guys. My name's Ben from Flow Brackets. Today we've got in this beautiful Genesis GV70, and this is the facelifted version. This is a 2025 version, but most people would refer it to as the 2026 version. Now I'm going to show you why you might need a number plate bracket for the rear of this car and a few different options that are available to you. Let's get into it. Genesis, they were smart. They did put provisions in so that we can mount our Australian number plates onto this vehicle, but it just isn't that great. It is a little bit flimsy and it doesn't offer you the safest or secure mounting. We're moving to a bracket system, especially our aluminium brackets. We have an ecosystem around it. So not only will it be a lot more sturdy, you can option for covers and security screw fittings, which make it harder for thieves to steal your number plate. So with that out of the way, let's get this off and our bracket on. The first thing we're going to do is take off our number plate and show you what's behind it. On the back of this car, after you remove the number plate, you'll see these two speed clips. They actually take a M6 bolt, and we supply a M6 bolt in every bracket fitting kit. It'll just go back into that thread like so. And what that means is that you can bolt any one of our number plate brackets to it according to the style and size of your number plate. So for example, if you had Euro plates, then you would get our Euro premium bracket and bolt it on. It will go somewhere there. You probably wouldn't want to go higher, but you do have that adjustability if you wanted to. And if you wanted to run a standard size bracket, then our standard size number plate will suit you. Again, that'll go into a vertical slot and you can go up and down if you wish. Today, we are just fixing up the slimline plates that are on this car. So what we're going to do is get our SL2 bracket, which does align with those factory holes. So what we're going to do is pop our M6 bolt into the vertical slot and make sure that we put on a spacer behind it. And this is going to give us a bit of a floating look, as well as protect the rear bumper from scratching or scuffing. Now we can get our bracket on. Now it is adjustable, so you can move it up and down if you wish, but I think that in this position right now is pretty good. And this is where all the benefits come in, because part of our ecosystem is that our bracket accommodates for both kingpin covers as well as security screw fittings. And that means that it just makes it harder for thieves to steal your number plate. Cleanest way to get floating number plates onto the back of a Genesis GV70. So please consider getting a flow bracket system. If you do care about a bit of anti-theft and protection for your bumper, this is definitely the way to go. We do have a number plate bracket to suit almost every size of number plate in Australia. So if you need some help identifying what bracket you need, give us a call and we can help you out. Hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.